Your brain isn't broken, it's being controlled silently. Every day you wake up tired, not because you didn't sleep, but because your mind never truly rested. Even while your body slept, your brain stayed busy, thinking, scrolling, consuming. The first thing you touch in the morning isn't the floor, it's your phone, and that single moment decides your entire day. You don't choose to check it. Your hand moves automatically. One notification, one swipe, one quick look, and suddenly 10 minutes disappear. You don't panic because this feels normal now. Everyone lives like this. You tell yourself, I need more discipline, I need more motivation, I'm just lazy. But that's not the truth. The truth is darker. Your brain didn't fail you. It adapted. Every notification trained it. Every scroll rewarded it. Every distraction taught it to avoid silence. Dopamine didn't make you happy. It made you dependent. Not addicted to pleasure, but addicted to stimulation. Your brain learned one rule: easy feels safe. So whenever life feels uncomfortable, focus feels hard, or silence feels awkward, your brain escapes into your phone, into content, into noise. Slowly something changes. Your brain stops asking, what do I want? And starts asking, what feels easy right now? That's how control is lost. Not loudly, not dramatically, but quietly. Days pass, weeks pass, months disappear. You stay busy, but nothing really changes. Same habits, same stress, same life. And the scariest part, you don't even notice it happening. But awareness changes everything. The moment you pause, even for a few seconds, something powerful happens. When you don't react instantly, when you let the urge pass, your brain starts listening again. It feels uncomfortable because control feels unfamiliar, but that discomfort is the sound of growth. You don't need more motivation. Motivation fades. You don't need hacks. Hacks expire. You need control. Control over your attention. Control over your reactions. Control over what trains your brain. Because whatever you repeatedly give attention to, you become. And control doesn't begin when life becomes easy. It begins the moment you notice who's really in charge.